Hey, beautiful people. Check out some of the items that I picked up at my unplanned Trader Joe's vegan food haul. Okay, so the first item we got here is the Secca Peach Bellini. Y'all, I just be picking up stuff because I want to try new stuff out. I think that this should be good, hopefully. I've had their mango one and I didn't care for it, but I was like, let me try the peach. It's only 8% alcohol, nothing too crazy. I love a fruity wine. Actually, any type of fruity alcoholic drink I love, so we're gonna try this one out. I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. So y'all gotta come back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, So Models, so that you can see how I like all this stuff. All right, what's next? Okay, y'all, so my mom recommended I get their corn chips. And I was like, organic? I don't know about all that. So I got organic corn chip dippers along with their vegan buffalo dip, which I have had before, and it is really, really good. I like it. You know, I love a little spice, and it's plant-based, dairy-free. See if I can give y'all some ingredients. So here goes the ingredients, you know, cauliflower and all these spices to make it taste real good. So I think these two together will be really, really good. I'll let y'all know. I've never had their vegan Italian style sausage-less sausage. So I'm excited to try those. When I go to Trader Joe's, I try to pick up 1 or 2 new things just to, you know, try out new things, because that's what life's about, trying out new things. Yeah, I made those sausage-less sausages, and they were nasty. I will not buy them again. They're very bland. I didn't like the texture. You better off with getting like some Beyond sausage links, or maybe like the Impossible sausage. Pretty much anything but those. Morningstar Farms, they also make good sausages. So just don't get those, okay? Now, I am gonna pair these with some hash browns. I don't have any Just Egg, so I might get some Just Egg and do like, you know, like a breakfast hash. I think that would be really, really good. I love Trader Joe's hash browns, and I'm gonna let y'all know all hash browns are not made the same. Wow. All hash browns are not made the same. Trader Joe's hash browns, fire, okay, fire. And also, interchangeably, I can use the soy chorizo to go with the hash browns too. So we got some, quote unquote, we got some sausage options here. Now, I know, this probably ain't culturally appropriate, but this frozen vegetable pad thai, y'all, this show is so good. So I usually put a little bit of oil in the skillet and I fry this up, and y'all, it is so good. I know you could put it in the microwave, I think. Yeah, you could microwave it, but the stovetop is best, y'all. This right here is one of my favorite items from Trader Joe's. I always pick this up when I go to Trader Joe's. So tasty, so much flavor. You don't need to add anything to it. It is good as is. Now, this probably ain't culturally appropriate either, but this vegan tikka masala be giving what it's supposed to give, okay? It be giving what it's supposed to give with flavor, okay, y'all? So this is another item that you could make in the microwave, but just go ahead and throw it in the oven. Just go ahead and throw it in the oven and be patient, because good things come to those who do what? Yes, they wait. Okay, there we go. So we got the vegan meat substitute. That's how, you know, that to kind of give it like a chicken tikka masala, but it's not. And y'all, it's so flavorful. I swear to God, it's so flavorful and good. I don't know who put this recipe together, but shout out to them. So this is another great vegan staple at Trader Joe's that I love. Okay, so this is one of my favorite combos at Trader Joe's. Their vegetable fried rice. Y'all, I have been eating Trader Joe's fried rice like since I was like young. Like when I say young, I mean like young. Like back when I lived in Maryland. Their fried rice is always good, and you can always like season it to your liking and add soy sauce, all that stuff. Now baby, these little chickenless orange morsels with the fried rice. Baby, I got me a nice meal, okay? So these two together, I think, are like really good. Like, it's just a really good combo of your rice and then like your fake orange chicken. So, you know, they may remind you of your Panda Express days or your Chinese spot at the mall days, okay? But a better version. You can make it at home and it's safe. So you can throw these morsels in the air fryer, or you can put them in the oven. I prefer to put them in the oven because when I make them in the air fryer, they come out a little bit more hard than I would like. I like them more so on the softer side. So I would suggest just go ahead and putting those things in the oven. Okay, y'all. So I actually ended up making these in the skillet, and I really enjoy making them in the skillet. So I actually highly suggest you make the orange chickenless morsels in the skillet. And then with the vegetable fried rice, y'all, you can add some onions, you can add a little bit of egg, you know, whatever you want to do to kind of make this. And when I say egg, I mean like just egg or something, or eggless option, just to kind of make the fried rice more fry. So you got options there, but this is like a great combo for a meal. These sweet potato fries, I was just picking stuff up now. I was just picking stuff up. I've never had their sweet potato fries, and I was just like, ooh, sweet potato fries, let me just pick it up. So that's a con about going to Trader Joe's, because sometimes you start picking up stuff that you just want to try out, and you don't even really need, because I don't have anything to go with them. But I guess it can always be a good snack. You know what I mean? If I want to keep it light, just go ahead and get some sweet potato fries. I'm sure you put these in the oven or the air fryer. Yeah. So I would go ahead and throw these in the air fryer just for convenience. Oh, no. It only takes 7 to 8 minutes in the air fryer. Y'all put this in the air fryer. Go ahead and put this in the air fryer. I got these new Baby Bell plant-based, dairy-free cheese alternatives, y'all. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm getting myself into with these. I'm gonna do a taste test for these, so y'all make sure you check out that video, because who knows? You know, who knows what these gonna taste like. Let's see what's in them. What's in the ingredients? Water, modified food starch, coconut oil, calcium citrate, no more than 2% of each, salt, natural. So this is just water? Really, is it water and starch? All right, well, yeah, we're gonna have to do a taste test on these and see what these taste like. Another thing I just picked up because I wanted to try something new. But y'all, these are a few of my favorite things. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just do this for y'all right now. I'm gonna go ahead and taste these Baby Bell plant-based little cheese alternative balls, things, squares. Now, I used to be able to eat mozzarella just as is. Ooh, y'all, I'm scared. Hold on now. It's supposed to have this green casing? Or is this supposed to peel off? Hold on, I see this little, do I peel this off? Now, see, it's already starting out real funky. What is this for, y'all? If I'm eating a piece of cheese, what is this for? Okay. So it's to peel this green casing off. I'm assuming this casing just holds the cheese thing together. And then you could open it like that. Oh, y'all fancy, huh? Oh, y'all fancy, huh? This better be good. Because you know they made with nothing but water. So, let's see. I don't like it. I don't like it, y'all. This is like, remind me of like a vegan cream cheese. I don't like this, y'all. Can I get my money back? It got the texture of like some mozzarella. But it's not good. It's just not good. Just don't buy it. Don't buy it. Just throw them away. I don't know. Maybe melt it on something. Maybe put it with a cracker. But I don't like it. And y'all know I usually finish stuff, but it's gonna have to go in the trash. And I forgot I got these oat chocolate bars, which are really, really good. When I made s'mores last year, I used these. So they're very tasty. There are 3 of them in here, which really isn't that much. Hold on. So yeah, it comes with like 3 of these little bars. It ain't too much. It's about $2.49. You know, a little pretty penny if you want to treat yourself. And so all that for $46 later. I'm just gonna make this food last. All right, y'all, so let's try the Trader Joe's organic corn dippers with their vegan buffalo dip and see if my mom knew what she was talking about with these corn chips now. Love you, Mom. Let y'all see what that's looking like. I know. Kind of look crazy, but I swear it's good. Cheers. Let me taste it without the buffalo. They alright. Ain't nothing like a real Frito though. But I love Fritos and I grew up on Fritos, so I mean they'll do. But I'd rather have Fritos. Yeah. Thanks for the recommendation, Mom. It's still a good snack. It's a good combo, y'all. You want something organic? Buy these. You want the oily trash? Get the Fritos.